How to log out of Twitter app. So the first thing that we need to do is of course to open the Twitter application. On the Twitter app, you have to click on your profile icon here on the top left corner. After that, you have to go down to the drop-down menu of Settings and Support. Under here, click Settings and Privacy, and then go tap on the option called Your Account. Here, you'll need to go to Account Information, and then you will see the option to log out. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure that you want to log out of Twitter. Just tap on the button Log Out. So now, you can see that your Twitter account is logged out from your Twitter application. So that is how to log out of Twitter app on your iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.